Network transformation isn't simply about speeds and feeds. It's about evolving your legacy networks while preparing for the software-defined access revolution. The Calix E3-2 remote modular PON node is designed for operators making this transformation. The key to the E3-2 is modularity. Everything within the E3-2 is field serviceable and upgradable. And it's built on AXOS, so it's fast, simple, and always on. The E3-2 has a rugged aluminum enclosure that requires no active cooling. That means it can go anywhere. It can be mounted aerially using the attached mounting clips, but it can also be mounted on a pole, on a wall, or in a pedestal. This flexibility can save you up to 50% in total cost of ownership over a cabinet-based solution. And in addition, deployment times can go from weeks or months to as little as a day because the E3-2 eliminates many challenges associated with deploying a cabinet, like land acquisition and construction permits. Looking inside the E3-2, the first thing to note is that there are two PON subscriber interface modules. That's the 2 in the E3-2. Each module can support 4 ports of GPON or 2 ports of 10 gigabit next generation PON. In a single E3-2, that gives you 8 ports of GPON, 4 ports of 10 gigabit PON, or a combination of the 2. And upgrading from one PON technology to another is simple. Just unscrew the 2 screws and remove the PON interface module. Insert the new module, and that's it. You're done. No other part of the system needs to be replaced, so your investment in the E3-2 is preserved. The E3-2 switch module not only supports Layer 2 services, but it also provides full Layer 3 support. This allows the E3-2 to become a part of the routed network and connect directly to edge routers using industry standard protocols like OSPF, ISIS, and IBGP. It also provides Layer 3 visibility towards the subscriber. This gives you unprecedented visibility to monitor and control the traffic entering your network, and it enables new revenue sources like usage-based billing. On the other side of the E3-2 is the WAN module. With 4 10 gigabit uplink ports, the E3-2 provides a completely non-blocking solution, and it also allows for redundant transport. On the lid side of the E3-2 is the control module. Now, in addition to the standard management port interfaces, it provides connection to an externally accessible USB port, so you can plug in a Wi-Fi dongle. You can now locally manage your E3-2 without opening it up, and this can be very handy, as the E3-2 is often installed in very hard-to-reach environments. Finally, on the left are the optionally redundant power supplies. Our goal here is to give you the flexibility to use whatever power you have available. For cable providers, we support the existing cable power plant supporting power over coax. But we also have a full variety of powering, including negative 48 volt DC, commercial AC power, and span powering. With its support from multiple PON technologies and powering options, the flexibility of deploying in diverse outside plant environments, and its Layer 3 capable switch fabric, the E3-2, powered by AXOS, is optimally positioned to help you evolve your legacy network while preparing for the software-defined access revolution of the future.